Dear children, good morning to all. The lesson is our environment. From that lesson, already we have learned dairy farm and poultry farms. Today we are going to discuss about apiculture. What is known as apiculture? Rearing of honeybee for honey is known as apiculture. It is also called beekeeping. In this technique, honeybees are reared in a specially designed wooden box. Honeybees have been very closely associated with human science ancient times. Various products like honey and wax are obtained from honeybees. Earlier, honey is extracted from the hives in the forest. Nowadays, they are domesticated by farmers to produce honey. Beekeeping is a profitable rural-based industry. Honeybees are social insects. The nest of honeybees is known as the beehive. They live in colonies and show division of labor. Types of honeybee. 3 types of honeybee are found in a colony. They are queen bee, the drones, and the worker bees. Students, can you say 3 types of honeybee? Yes, queen bee, drones, and worker bees. First one, queen bee. The queen bee is the largest member of the bee colony. There is only one queen bee and it is the fertile female of the colony. They are formed from fertile eggs. The queen is responsible for laying eggs in a colony. It lays about 2000 eggs per day. The lifespan of the queen bee is 3 to 4 years. Student, how many eggs does the queen bee lay? The queen bee lays about 2000 eggs per day. Drones. Drones are the fertile males. They develop from unfertilized eggs. They are larger than the workers and smaller than the queens. Their main function is to fertilize the eggs produced by the queen. They also help in maintenance of high temperature. The number of drones in a colony amounts to hundreds and sometimes thousands. The normal lifespan of a drone is 57 days. Student, what is the normal lifespan of a drone? The normal lifespan of a drone is 57 days. Next one, worker bees. These are sterile female bees and the smallest members of the colony. These bees are very active. Their function is to collect honey, look after the young ones, clean the comb, defend the hive and maintain the temperature of the beehive. Lifespan of worker bee is 6 weeks. Students, do you know one queen bee has to fly 90,000 miles 3 times around the globe to make 1 pound of honey. Honeybee can fly up to 6 miles and as fast as 50 miles per hour. Next topic, useful products from honeybees. Honey and bee wax are obtained from honeybees. Other products which are obtained from bees are bee venom, propolis and royal jelly. Students, do you know Honey is the exciting source of natural sweet. It is also called as liquid gold. Honey. Honey is a sweet, viscous, edible, natural food product. It contains proteins, free amino acids, vitamins, and minerals like calcium, iron, phosphorus, and magnesium. The following are the uses of honeybees. The first one is honey has an antiseptic and antibacterial property. It is an antibiotic. It helps in building up hemoglobin content in the blood. It helps in building up hemoglobin content in the blood. It is used in Ayurvedic and Unani system of medicines. It prevents cough, cold, fever and releases sore throat. It enhances digestion and appetite. It provides essential amino acids required for the growth of the body. Bee wax. Bee wax is secreted by the wax glands of worker bee to construct the combs of beehive. Some of the uses of bee wax are given below. It is widely used in cosmetic industry. The vaccine is used in the preparation of shoe polish and manufacture of cold creams, lipsticks, candles and lubricates. Okay students, we will meet in next class. Thank you.